Hello friends, today we are going to see selection modes in Paint.net. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel so far, please do consider subscribing so that you will never miss any notification. So let's get started. Let's open the Paint.net. I have an image here, let's bring it in. So the image is in. Let's draw a circle first. So now let's see each mode one by one. So the replace mode is going to replace the old selection with a new selection. So currently we are in a replace mode. Whenever we try to draw a new selection, the old will be gone. I have a circle here. If I try to draw a rectangle, the old one is gone. So I already have a selection, but I want to add something more to it. So to do that, I have to use a add mode. Let's do it. And in the add mode, let's say if I want to add a circle to it. So let's say if I draw a circle somewhere. So now both the shapes are added to the selection. I can draw more, for example like this. Now this is my selection. So this is the add mode. The next one is subtract mode. In the subtract mode, let's see. If I want to subtract something from the current selection, for example, I want to take out this piece. So I will draw something here. So whatever will be overlapped, that part will be removed from the selection or basically subtracted. So now this is my selection. If I want to subtract more from this selection, remove something from the selection, I can draw over it and that is gone. So this is basically the subtract mode. The next one is an intersect mode. So I have a selection here. Let's try to do an intersect mode. So I am drawing a circle now. I had a previous selection and the only part which is overlapping is this one. So this will be left. That is the intersect mode. Let's try to see the last mode, which is the invert mode. It is basically opposite of the intersect mode. Let's see in action. Let's say I draw a circle. So what it's going to do is, whatever is overlapping, it's going to remove that part, and what is now not overlapping, that part will be selected. So the overlapping part is not in the selection anymore. So that is our invert mode. So these were all the modes. So friends, that was it from my side today. Thank you for watching.